Hello everyone! Nice to see you again in this video with me, Miss Desi. How are you? Good? I hope everyone is good. Okay, for today's lesson, Miss Desi is going to give you some dictation practice. Okay? Therefore, I want you to prepare your pencil, eraser, and of course the worksheets. Yeah? Please prepare your worksheets. Okay, now let's get started. Hello everyone! Nice to see you again in this video with me, Miss Desi. How are you? Good? I hope everyone is good. Okay, for today's lesson, Miss Desi is going to give you some dictation practice. Okay? Therefore, I want you to prepare your pencil, eraser, and of course the worksheets. Yeah? Please prepare your worksheets. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, now let's see worksheet 5. Read and copy these words below properly. So here everyone, you need to read all the words here and copy them 5 times. Okay, now please repeat after me. It's fishing, fishing, camping, camping, hiking, hiking, rafting, rafting, forest, forest, mountain, mountain. Okay, now let's copy the words. Okay, now we've finished writing all the words. Next, let's see worksheet 6. Okay, worksheet 6. Spell the sentences and draw the objects. Here Miss Desi will say some sentences for you, and you have to write the sentences here. Then you draw an object about the sentence. Number 1. I like to go camping. Okay? I like to go camping. So here I'm going to give you an example. I like to go camping. Yeah, so here is the sentence. I like to go camping. Then you draw an object related to the sentence, camping. So you can draw a tent for that. Okay, so here is the tent. Number 2. Please write, I like to go hiking. Okay, I like to go hiking. Then you draw a mountain here. Okay, a mountain. Next, listen carefully everyone. I like to go fishing. I like to go fishing. Then you draw a fish here. Okay? A fish. And the last one here. I like to go rafting. I like to go rafting. Then you draw a rafting boat here. Okay? A rafting boat. Good. Now let's see worksheet 7. Read and copy these words below properly. So again, everyone, you need to read the words here and copy them 3 times. The first word here is attend. Attend. A blanket. A blanket. Matches. Matches. A rope. A rope. Okay, now copy the words. Next, we need to read all these sentences and then rewrite them here. Number 1. We need a tent. Now let's rewrite the sentence. Full stop. Okay. Then draw a tent here. Next, we need a blanket. Rewrite the sentence and draw a blanket here. Then, we need matches. Then you draw matches here. Okay, and the last one, we need a rope. Rewrite the sentence and draw a rope here. Good. And the last worksheet is worksheet 8. In this worksheet, you need to spell the words and sentences that Miss Desi will say. Number 1. Please write tent. Tent. Number 2. Please write mountain. Mountain. Number 3. Please write blanket. Blanket. Number 4. Please write tree. Tree. Number 5. Please write lake. Lake. Number 6. Please write it is a waterfall. It is a waterfall. Number 7. Please write it is a river. It is a river. Number 8. Please write it is flower. It is flower. Number 9. Please write. It is grass. It is grass. And the last number, number 10. Please write. It is beach. It is beach. Okay, well done everyone. Okay, that's all for today's practice. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next video. Bye everyone.